In this exercise, we will learn the magic eraser tool. Basically, the magic eraser tool is used to erase similar color areas very quickly. This tool works well when you only have a single solid color. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the eraser tool, we can see the magic eraser tool underneath the background eraser tool. Or we can press Shift and E to select this tool. I have a building image, and here we have a sky background, the blue color with a little bit of a white gradient. Okay, let's try to remove the sky first. First, we need to adjust the tolerance on the control option. Let's say 30%. Anti-alias is always checked on for smoothness, and contiguous is checked on for continuous color removal. Okay, let's click on the sky background and boom! Amazing! The background color is removed perfectly. If we have any larger areas, we can adjust tolerance and experiment for the best job. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the gradient tool.